You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Hi, good morning mga paps. Good morning. Good morning. Sila ang nakatakip. Yun, day 2 tayo mga paps. Andito pa rin kami sa Casa Carolina. Yun, natok pa ako. So mga paps, try namin mamaya Enchanted Key or Patar White Beach. So sa ngayon mag-ano muna kami, breakfast muna kami. Yun na. Alright. Nantok pa ako.
Meron.
So yun mga paps, balikan namin kayo mamaya. Breakfast mode muna tayo. Bye. And we are back mga paps. Good morning. So yan, habang breakfast time, iikot muna kami dito sa beach. Siyempre, Casa Carolina pa rin. Yan o.
Rep magnet ma'am, kitchen po.
Next time na lang po. Yan o. Pasilip sa inyo mga paps. Yan. Nice view. Alright. Good morning, good morning. So ayan, relax muna tayo. So, ikot muna tayo.
Picture mo ko.
Saan?
Ayun lang, ang tawag.
Ha? Okay lang. Yan. So, maliwalas dito pag ganitong oras. Time check nga pala mga paps. Already 7 in the morning, no? So, magmo-moment muna kami dito mga paps. Ayan. Yes. Saan tayo pupunta mamaya? So yun nga, again, tatry namin pumunta sa Patar White Beach. So yun yung last time namin pinuntahan, pero pupuntahan pa rin namin ngayon kasama ang ibang mga popsicles. Ibang mga tropa. Ayun. Siyempre, try din namin yung Enchanted Cave. Sana mapuntahan namin. Ito yung pinaka sikat na spot dito sa Casa Carolina. Yan. Alright. So, tamang tambahin muna kami dito mga paps.
Video mo ko.
Yes. Sarap. Gusto mo doon? Yes. Super. Ha? Sarap pakinggan ng ano, dagat. Alon. Okay. Iyan. Pero don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Billy Works TV. Yun, day 2. Enjoyin ulit natin ang vlog for today. Alright, so babalikan namin kayo mga paps. Bye bye. Yun. Okay. So palibas muna tayo ng oras mga paps. Hopefully na-enjoy nyo yung ating vlog. Kahapon, day 1. So, pagagandahin pa rin natin ngayon, day 2. Right. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga alon ng dagat dito sa Casa Carolina. Pero syempre, shoutout Casa Carolina. Yun. Nantok pa ako. Napakapayapa ng dagat. Sana all payapa. Balikan namin kayo mga paps na. Bye bye. Yeah. Ang cute nitong nakita ko. Yun o. Alright. So meron pala dito nito. Videoan ko muna ito mga paps. Ang cute niya o. Gumawa ko siya. Hoy, lumabas yan na dyan. Good morning. Oh, nahihiya pa siya. Nahihiya. Yes. Pero tingnan natin. Ang tawag dito mga paps. Ayan, nagtago na siya. Mamaya gagalaw to. Ang cute to. Ang cute niya. Yes. Alrighty. So, papasilip ko sa inyo mga paps. Gagalaw to. Nahiya lang siya ngayon. Okay, bababa natin lang. Yeah. Nahiya na nga. Ayan ang lumabas. So ayun ang mga paps, nahiya siya. Ayaw lumabas. Baka natakot. galing niya oh. Parang bato lang siya. Ayun na. Ayun na siya, gumagalaw na siya. Nakikiramdam. Yeah. Gumalaw ka na. Gumalaw ka na. Wow, gumagalaw na siya oh. Ayan wow. Unti-unti na siyang lumalabas. Ayan. Nakikiramdam siya kung meron siyang kasama dito. Galing. Ang galing niya. Nalabas na siya. Gumagalaw na siya. And I'm back. So yun mga paps, andito na kami sa Patar White Beach. Right? So ito yung pinuntahan namin ni Mia last time. So kakunti yung tao ngayon. Alright, medyo malakas ang alon natin ngayon mga paps. So, yun. Yes. So ito na. Enjoy na namin ang day 2 dito sa Patar White Beach. Yon. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Billy Works TV.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah. Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Okay, so I'm back mga popsicles. Time check. Already lunch break na. So mga pops, kakain lang muna kami and babalikan namin kayo. Yun. Time check 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Alrighty, so papunta naman kami ngayon sa lighthouse. Dito pa rin yan sa Pangasinan, Bolinao. Alright, so punta na kami sa admission, then tingnan nyo to, panoorin namin sa inyo ang lighthouse. Yes. And we are back again. So, in mga popsicles. Alright.
Out.
So, papakita ko muna tong perfect spot. Casa Carolina. My love. Alright. So, ayun mga pops. Syempre, is shoutout time. Hindi natin kakalimutan na ating mga beloved subscribers. So, simulan na natin mga pops. Kay Pops Kiko, Kiko's Vlog. Tapos si Pops Rowan. Alright, shoutout. Si Pops Crystal. Alright, shoutout. Si Pops Gian Pakon. Ayan, shoutout din. Si Pops Jonty. Shoutout. Si Pops Josa. Shoutout. Si Pops Jude. Shoutout sa inyo. Si Boss Nino. Shoutout. Siyempre, kay Brother Edward. You know, shoutout din si Pops Sian. Alright, so yun, pauwi na kami mga popsicles. So enjoy na lang ang ating vlog for today. See you on our next vlog. Bye.